Hello everyone. Good evening to all. First of all, I would like to say thanks my respected sir who has given me such golden opportunity to stand here and speak in front of you. It is a great pleasure for me. First, I want to give my resume. My name is Subhi. I am a student of 11th standard. My school name is Amar Said Inter College, and my father's name was Mr. Abdul Rahman, and my mother's name is Mrs. Chand Banu. Now that's all about myself. Now I am telling about the topic. Today's topic is beauty and brain. It is chosen by myself. You know, beauty and brain. If we have a lot of beauty, then if we have no brain to understanding other things, then in this case our beauty doesn't matter at all. You know, if you saw many people, they look so attractive, but they have no understanding, no brain to understanding anything very well, and they look so good, but they don't understand things very well. In this case, beauty is your cuteness, and your brain is your real beauty. If you have brain, then you can do anything, and you have think that you understand everything very well. And if in study time you are so good looking and you have no mind to understanding anything, at that time you can't understand everything in a clear manner. And so beauty and brain both are important. If you want to marry to other people, they show your beauty, but they don't show your mind. And because I think that they are not sensible who show your beauty, don't show your mind. If you have a lot of mind, then you can understand others people thinking. And I think who are so beautiful, they have a lot of attitude, their beauty, and they have no mind to understanding others people. And if you have beauty as well as you have also understanding, you have also mind for understanding everything clearly. I'll tell about my auntie. She is so pretty and looking so good. She always understanding herself like a good lady, and her mentality is not his mentality. Her mentality is not so good. She thinks only herself, because she looks beautiful in my whole family. That's why. And she use right and wrong words about people. If anyone looks not so good at the time, she speak any wrong words before them. It is wrong. She don't understand this is very well, and she is beautiful, and he have no mind. What's the use of her beauty if they have no mind for understanding others people? In study field, your beauty doesn't matter, and you have only in this matter you need only mind. If you have mind, then you can solve any sum, and you can answer any other question if anyone asks you. And so she thinks that she is so beautiful, and she can do anything, but he have no sense to others people. They didn't respect to others, because she looks so charming. That's why. Now I am telling about telling about what does beauty and brain matter in our life. If you want to do any big thing in this matter, you need only good imagination and your sense and your mind. In this case, your beauty don't do anything for you. You look so beautiful and you have good style. In this case, if anyone asks any question, you have no sense to understand that question. In this case, your beauty doesn't matter. In this field, you have a mind for understanding everything very clearly. And if someone else said that in my field, a girl who looks not so beautiful and their family want to marry with a good person and so they are not so beautiful, so everyone rejected, but they are so educated, but it is not so. They don't do that thing because we saw people's nature and there's mind and there's standard in study level. If you saw someone's beauty and they are not good in heart, I think that who looks beautiful but their heart not so good. That's all about my topic.
I am also fine. What is your name? What is your name? Rakhi. I am Rakhi. What is your father's name? My father's name is Sunil Kumar. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Sunita Devi. What is your brother name? What is your brother name? Swati. What is your sister name? Dimpi. What is your favorite food? Don't food. When I get open, then potato. What is your favorite fast food? And what is your favorite color? Red. What is your best friend name? Muskan. What is your grandfather name? What is your grandmother name? Gyan Devi. What is your cousin brother name? What is your cousin sister name? Anita Devi. Cousin. And what is your class teacher name? Sir. In which class do you read? I am ninth. And what is your school name? Amarsai Inter College. What is your name? My name is Sandri Kashyap. What is your mother's name? My mother's name is Mrs. Sita Kashyap. It's not my what is your fast food? Didi. What is your fast food? Fast food. What is your name? Colors? Favorite colors? What is your favorite color? Red. What is your school name? My school name is Ramesh Krishna Academy. What is your name, sister? My sister name is Priya Kashyap. What is your name? What is your name? My brother name is Sandri Kashyap. And a sister name? Sandhya. Sandhya Bharti. What is your uncle name? What is your aunt name? No, I'm not. What is your best friend name? My best friend name is Neelan. English class I read in class 6. What is your favorite teacher name?